All right, so the next thing is that is important that we go put out yard signs, right? Because we got this job, but we need to get the next job. So we can walk out here. We obviously don't want to put the yard sign here because nobody's going to see the yard sign. Now, we want to be able to place this yard sign out here at the road so everybody can see our yard sign as we are coming and going. Again, yard signs are a great way to get business. It's one of probably the best ways that I know to get more business. And so yes, we're going to place the yard sign even at this house and at the end of the neighborhood. So these are the two places that I am going to put yard signs. Yard signs are so much fun. They're probably the best way to get business. So when I'm looking at the yard sign, I want to try, obviously I want two-sided signs. I only got this one as a one-sided sign. So what I would do is I want to make sure my most optimal place for my yard sign. So this here kind of has a bunch of bushes. This here doesn't. So what I would do is I would just come over here and probably place it this one where I can hit both of them. The ground is hard as a rock, but we're just gonna stick them in, try to get it in as far as we can. Make sure it looks good. That one don't look really good, so we're just gonna kind of push it in a little bit further and bend it back a little bit so it looks a little bit better. And then that way, people can drive by, they see the amazing looking Christmas lights on the house, and now they know that I did the Christmas lights. And so this is how yard signs work. Yard signs are awesome. I love yard signs. One of the best ROIs out there is yard signs. So definitely make sure you're putting them at the customer's house. If you are putting them at the customer's house, a lot of times you make it a more branded yard sign. And another thing, if it's in a subdivision, you put it by a tree or in the mulch, so don't just sit it out in the middle. So that way it kind of looks and blends in a little bit better, and that way there's more likely for those yard signs to sit up longer. So that's how you can do yard.